So in this comfortable seated position with the spine nice and long, with your awareness on the breath in the body, flowing in and flowing out. The breath flowing in and out. You begin to allow the breath to deepen. So as you exhale, draw back the stomach, and as you inhale, allow the stomach to expand wide like a balloon. And exhale, releasing. Inhaling, stomach expanding. And exhale, releasing. Inhaling. Exhaling. As you inhale, stomach expands wide. As you exhale, releasing. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhaling. And exhaling. And seeing if you can keep that inhale flowing in through the nose and out through the nose. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. And on the next exhale, allowing the breath to return back to its usual pace. And taking a moment to observe how you feel in the body or in the mind. Noting if there's any change to how you're feeling. And when you're ready, if you have the eyes closed, gently opening the eyes.